1, 2, 3, jump!
Hey guys, Dzień Dobry from Slovenia. So we have come to this beautiful nature place called Glamping Farm Stay by Slippa family. It's a beautiful place surrounded by nature. Basically, it's a farmhouse and there are animals around. So I thought, why not vlog this experience? Because I don't usually vlog about travel. I like to keep my travel very private and chill. But this I felt was very nice, and I wanted to share this experience with you all guys. I'll show you our bedroom. This is a small bedroom. I don't know if the camera can capture it. A small stay. There's a sofa this side to sit. And yeah, our luggage is here. We went to Lidl and we bought our groceries to cook. There's a small window there. Yes. And as you come out, we have our small kitchen. We just now had omelette, so that's why it's a little messy. And this is the place, dining place, where we are eating amidst the nature. It's a little cold for me. I feel a lot cold, and this is the view. Because it's a farm stay and we're staying as a village people, the toilet is 1 minute away. And it's a nice toilet. It's a modern toilet, but it's 1 minute away. And we should also carry our plates and go and wash near the wash basin, which is not here. We have to walk all the way, and we have to wash this. I will take you along. Nice. I actually like this because I remember my nani and my dadis. They used to carry vessels outside. The bathroom was outside and it was open, and they used to carry all this bartan outside to wash. I remember. I am now reliving the same thing. It's nice. Different experience. So I will wash these vessels. And the cat is staying. Cat is in front of me. Come please. Please. Now I'll be standing here only. So we actually rented a car from the airport. And then we came here. I will share the details, everything later, from where we rented a car, because this is an abrupt vlog. I never thought I'll shoot this. So in the middle I started shooting this. So here is the bathroom. Okay. Ours is number 4 because we're staying in cottage number 4. After breakfast, we are now going to do rafting, river rafting. Yes, so this is my first experience with river rafting, and I can swim, but not in deep waters. I'm a very basic kind of a swimmer, so I don't know how the experience will be. Let's see. I hope it's not too scary because I am a phatto. Yeah, I get scared very fast. So we are going to Soca river for river rafting, and it is 90 kilometers from where we are staying. So it's going to take us 1.5 hours to reach there. In between, if you find nice spots, we'll stop. Okay, so see ya. Hey, but it's nice, huh?
Okay? Ready?